automation and AI to drive efficiency. They know that customers don't want service that feels robotic. That's true of enterprise customers as well as retail customers. And it's equally true across all sectors, whether millennials or boomers or SMBs or in fact institutional clients. Banks need to forge emotional bonds and foster deep relationships to drive customers' loyalty and fuel growth. When we talk to banking clients about the future of their customer experience, we focus on three areas: financial advisory, financial wellness, and trust. Many banks offer a range of advisory services. The challenge is putting the right services in front of the right customers and delivering an advisory experience that feels deeply targeted and personal. To succeed, banks need to understand the customer's financial situation better than the customers themselves. Fortunately, that no longer needs to be a completely manual effort. Banks can now unlock their data with AI algorithms to offer insights-rich financial advisory at scale. And we at Wipro are working with some of the world's most innovative AI and fintech companies to drive a more situational approach to advisory that leverages data and AI for hyper-personalization. Moving forward, we know that banks are also seeking to attract customers with financial wellness tools such as spend analytics, goals-based savings, and personal finance education. That's a deeply collaborative effort that pulls together data and technology from across the financial ecosystem. We at Wipro, working closely with Capcom, designing, and our engineering teams are identifying some truly exciting opportunities to co-invent financial wellness products with our clients. And then there's a trust and security piece. With Gen AI coming to the fore, customers are more worried than ever about security. They're reading stories on a daily basis about major fraud driven by Gen AI deepfakes. Rock-solid cybersecurity and fraud mitigation is now part of a human-centric banking experience. It will become a real competitive differentiator. Customers want to know that their bank truly cares about protecting their assets. That's why Wipro cybersecurity practice and fraud and risk practice is actively working with banking clients to combat AI-driven fraud with new AI-driven anti-fraud tools, particularly in the payments space. We see enormous opportunities for banks to embrace these new technologies in a way that strengthens client relationships. Technology doesn't need to translate into a robotic, impersonal banking experience. At the end of the day, customers want to bank with a brand they can trust and a team that understands them on a personal level. Banks that deliver on these promises will be the winners in the coming decade.